how to create Netflix account. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar, search for netflix.com. Now, tap on the email address text box you see there beside the Get Started button. Go ahead and enter a valid email address and further tap on the Get Started button. You will then be required to enter your password, so go ahead and enter your password and tap on Next. You will then be prompted to choose your plan. So tap on Next and further choose a plan that suits your preference the best. Once selected, tap on Next and now go ahead and select your payment method and further fill in the required details depending on your payment method. I chose credit or debit card, so I will enter my card number, expiration date, CVV, name on card and postal code. Now tap on the Terms and Conditions checkbox and finally tap on the Start Membership button, and with this your payment will be verified and your account will be all set. So this is how you can create Netflix account. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.